Hey everybody, I'm back with another edition of Make It Monday. So today I'm going to talk about something that everybody needs to know, especially with, all the stuff that's going on, and that is how to clean and wash your produce. So I'm going to give you two recipes depending on your comfort level. The first one is a spray bottle recipe that you can make. So you need a decent size, a larger spray bottle. You could use like an old sparkling water bottle, or you can buy one off of Amazon, a glass bottle. And what you want to do is add half part white vinegar, half part water to this bottle, and then leave about an inch and a half at the top so you can add in your essential oils. So go ahead and add your white vinegar, add your water in, and then you want to add about 20 drops of a citrus essential oil. My favorite one that I use for all of our cleaning when it comes to this is lemon. That's my favorite choice. I've seen some people use lime though, so just choose what you like or what you might have around. And then you're going to mix the spray bottle together, and then you're going to shake it up and then spray it on the produce and wipe them down, rinse them off, and let them dry. So that is the first recipe. The second one is you could fill your sink or a very large bowl with water, and then what you could do is add a half cup of white vinegar to that, and then about 5 or 6 drops of, like I said, a citrus essential oil. My favorite is lemon. You could add that into there as well and just let the produce soak. So this would be a great thing to do if you have like a lot of apples to wash or a lot of produce that you want to wash at one time. So you could let them soak in the sink or a large bowl, then take them out, rinse them off, kind of wipe them dry, and then I usually would set them down on a cloth just for them to dry for about 30 minutes or so. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll be back again soon to do another Make It Monday.